Alright guys, still by Big Tank from Doubles Out, and just the way we learn how to add content with our web page using how to add content to our web page using jQuery for the previous tutorial. This particular tutorial now we'll still learn how to remove content with the same jQuery. So quickly now, just two methods from jQuery we want to cover for this tutorial. The first one now the empty method, while the second one are the remove method. So the way the empty they work here, they remove all the inner HTML or all the content now you get for inside that particular element where would you use until the target. As in, if you call the empty element now, if you call the empty method now for inside maybe section elements, and inside that section element now you get other child elements like div, image, anchor tags, paragraph, list, navigation, and so on. You get that empty method where it go remove all those children. You get based on say all of them will be the inner HTML of that section element, which is the parent. So what I want to do now, so you see this theme web like today now. You see this theme. All this H1 paragraph anchor tag now, so now it be the inner HTML. So kind of if they work for your browser now, maybe you right click, you want inspect elements. It not get as it go be, you could just see something like inner HTML. Now something like that they refer to now. You get maybe if they target one element now, they'll tell you say copy inner HTML or something like that. Now this is not that they tell you about. So that I'll do quickly. I'll just come in, I'll say $theme. Then I'll say .empty, just like this. So if I do like this now, I'll go and refresh. You see I say nothing there again also. It seems like I said delete, but I will not delete her. If I come in my target now, you see I say the theme they show. Show this here. It's small but it is show for here. If I favor increase on. Let's see. Suppose you see another. See, it's in the show. The theme still there, but all the contents now. So this our empty method now. Do empty. So if you come in, I might do something like say go be much more easier to see. The H1. So they go do now. So I go clear everything now. All this BRO tag now. So all of them. You go wipe everything come out. So if I refresh now, since I gotta come back, but the H1 not there for inside. You see, so that now the empty method you do. Then the second one now so be the remove method now. So it not go just empty, go remove the element join. So if I come this place now, I say remove. If I refresh, you see I say not there again. But if I go check now whether I see here now, you see now paragraph now be the first side now. That H1 is not there again. That night they remove the two. So they are working it is similar but it's different. You get so the easiest way to see if you understand that more. Now just reason now like this. This empty method now be like must say be like gallon of water now. You get that's water inside the gallon. So you imagine this container so now be the gallon now. So everything like this side now be the water for inside this gallon. So when you call the empty method now, so that empty method now, so it go empty all the water for inside the gallon. You go empty and dry finish, leave only the gallon. Now we see the empty method you do now, so it don't leave only the gallon now, which is the theme. But when you call the remove method now, so it throw the gallon joy. You get no joy. It throw everything joy. They throw the gallon. Then I did the remove method you do. So if you never understand that like this, then another something pass again. But anyhow, you get the scope. See the part this one are just two simple method now. Empty and remove. I say be your library for Big Tank. Your library from Doubles Out, Big Tank, and like the video. If you just come here new, subscribe to the channel and still tell other parties they happen. You know how they be now. I'll see you for the next video. Thank you.